Yeah, over 100 miles an hour.
And we heard it.
And we lost brake pressure. That was not fun. T-tops were already off. San Diego, 80 degrees. Let's go. Cali dreaming right now, you guys. So sick. Made it up to Mount Soledad.
Yeah, a lot bigger and heavier. The 968 was more of like a GT.
All right. Welcome back, everybody. G-Strength. We got some work to do. Nah, not too much. The ZX blew a brake line, you guys. Specifically this right rear. So, we got the new lines in. There's those bad boys. Gonna get those thrown on. I have a power bleeder. Might have to bleed all of them again. I mean, technically you're always supposed to bleed all of them, starting at the right rear, or the furthest from the brake master cylinder, if you guys didn't know. But this one line that blew is the furthest. So I'm not sure if I have to bleed them all. We'll see. I mean, you're supposed to. I'm probably gonna do it out of precaution, but if I don't see any bubbles coming out of the other lines, then I didn't need to. Let's get started. The homie just showed up. What's up, bros? Sheesh. Yeah, we still got plenty of fluid in there.
Yeah.
I really don't want to bleed all four. I just want to bleed the one, but we'll see how that works out.
It's leaking right now.
All right. We got the wheel off. My bushing is just sitting in a puddle of brake fluid, which is super corrosive. Let's get that cleaned up ASAP. Probably gonna need a new bushing, but we'll do that when we
Do the lower arms.
do some stuff, other stuff.
Is degreaser gonna remove most of that oil that's in the frame?
Here's where the brake line failed, you guys. So I'm gonna make sure that the next one, you know, is this way, so it doesn't rub the wheel. Oh, I got a clip here I gotta take out.
Oh yeah, the needle nose.
That's a tough one. Just gotta have that.
Easy when you're using the tool correctly. Oh yeah, clean. Clean removal. Explain what's going on here, bros.
We're getting this old line off right here. Always use your flare nut wrenches when you're working with brake lines, you guys. Otherwise, you're not gonna have a good day. You can do some more research on that yourself. That's all the research you need. Twist and flick. Just like Harry Potter.
Nice, bros.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Whoa.
Ooh.
There it is. One busted line on the highway.
Yeah, over 100 miles an hour.
And we heard
And
it.
we lost brake pressure. That was not fun.
Yeah. He got it cleaned up relatively well. You can't really even see it. It was all on the frame. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna get this
Where'd my washer go?
new. Ooh, what? Is it still on it? Check the line. We'll just clean it up right here. We'll just have a nice little bleed.
Yeah, we couldn't show it, but we were using the pressure bleeder. You always lose a little fluid because the cap isn't perfect for the reservoir on the Z.
Yeah, so we just cleaned up a little bit, some brake cleaner and a shop towel. Get that dialed in. Now he's just gonna use the. What is this?
There's just like a little fuzz in there, so I just wanted to get that out.
What is that thing you called?
What? I don't know. That's for like when you're doing the whole thing fresh and you want to get the old fluid out before you even fill it up. Does that make sense?
I feel like they use it for Thanksgiving too.
Oh, a turkey baster?
Yeah. Okay, what's next? Oh, watch out, that cap is about to fall.
It's right at the max, so I guess we'll leave it there.
Yeah, leave it there. Hit
on.
the freaking brakes a little bit.
Let me clean because I'm big paranoid of any brake fluid being where it shouldn't be, which would be outside of the reservoir.
Because it's highly flammable.
Quit while you're ahead. We'll just leave it there. Alright, so good, I think we're good over there. Alright, we're back. We got this side all swapped out and bled. So everything else was fine with the car. We did get that new fuel pressure regulator in. So let's go give this thing a cruise. We'll bring it back, check it over, make sure no lines are rubbing. Yeah, let's get it. Last time we pulled it in, it wasn't a fun ending. This time we're pulling it out. Let's hope she's good to go. First fire up in a week. Give it the 2-pump chump. Still haven't done a valve adjustment, so it doesn't fire up the fastest right now. Oh yeah. Let's take her on a roundabout. All right, let's brake. She's braking good. Pedal feels good. Definitely got a little exhaust leak. If that's on the manifold, which, I don't know, it might be. That won't be too fun. Let's brake. Brakes feel good. All right, I'm gonna do a little more testing. Stay focused and do it. See you guys when I get back. Okay, just check things over, check the fluid, check the back. We're dry back there, that's good. Dry up here. I definitely have concerns that I didn't bleed all four. I only bled that one. And, you know, I want to say that the pedal felt a little stiffer before. But, yeah. So I'd probably pull these all off and bleed. It's just using that pressure bleeder is such a pain because the cap isn't perfect and it will come off. So now that my buddy's gone, I don't have anybody to hold that. So, okay, so I put some thought into it. Took a shower, got cleaned up because I want to drive. But we'll see, you know. Might have to work some more. All right, anyways, for real. I was thinking about it and I'm gonna drive it over to my buddy's house, check it out again, because I have some rear isolators for the rear cross member. It's like the other part besides the diff mount that's attached to the diff. So those really need to be done. And in order to do those, I have to take off some of the rear brake lines, which means I'm gonna need to bleed it all again. So I am not going to bleed it all yet. We'll do that next. But for now, let's go meet up with the homies and see if we can get a good cruise in. T-tops were already off. San Diego, 80 degrees, let's go. I forgot to get some video of this stop, but I'll get some next, you guys. But look at this, another ZX and an S30. 944 behind me. Callie dreaming right now, you guys. So sick. Homie slick top is super clean.
How similar the colors actually are.
It's an 80, different hood vents, slick top, fixed back seats. So cool. Made it up to Mount Soledad.
Yeah, they're a lot bigger and heavier. The 968 was more of like a GT, like Grand Touring kind of car.
See where we end up next. Like that.
Oof, that is so clean.
Sealed up.
Sealed up with this technology right there. Lock, unlock, or open.
They don't
Here
let
you go.
them
He's got the bag still. It's in the luggage case. That's beautiful. Wow, nice. It was a silk texture.
Oh, that's right. Your trim is gold, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, clean.
I wonder if that was aftermarket or a dealer option.
A dealer option, I believe. Because I have never seen another. Ooh, easy. I don't think it's in up here, bros. In that top. There, wait.
It prevents your car from getting door damage.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Sealed chamber.
Dude, this thing is sweet.
Yeah, mine's the last year of no smog, which is kind of nice. Dude, but
Homie just pulled up
You know, actually, I
on the Ural.
talked to some Russian people, and it's Ural. All us Americans say Ural.
This thing looks.
You know why?
Oh, you're all.
U-R-S, Ural.
Oh, all.
From the Ural Mountains in Russia.
Beautiful bike.
Well, what happened in 1939? The Russians got a hold of some of the German military motorcycles from BMW, and they copied them. That's basically a BMW.
Whoa! Look at the Brembo brakes
After
on
the
that
war-
thing.
After the war,
Dude.
somebody made an agreement to keep making them. Well, I had that car too in 944.
yeah.
I had the what do you
Got
call
some
it?
classics out today.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was that.
Cruising to the gas station. Clean. All right, things are looking well so far. We've been driving around. Brakes are working good. We'll check them one more time. We got the GoPro charging. Fast charging. Oh yeah, fast charging in the 83, baby. So it's hard to get good nighttime footage, and you know the sound isn't the best, but I'm still gonna try for you guys. So let's see what we get. Well, we made it to In-N-Out. Was headed to the canyon. Oof, we got to break the news to Tyler, you guys.
We were supposed to eat after.
I don't think we're gonna make it
Do the
to.
run.
I don't.
Then eat.
I don't think we're gonna make it to the canyon tonight, bros.
I don't think that I'm gonna make it through the canyon with these greasy fingers.
No, I'm being serious.
Turn your lights on.
Turn the lights off, he says.
Kill the lights.
No, I'm serious. I don't think we're gonna make it to the canyon tonight.
Why?
After that 100 mile per hour sweeper,
Sleeper.
I got some more work to do, unfortunately, bros.
Ooh, did it not feel good or what?
Yeah. The elusive canyon. Tyler's been wanting to go to the canyon since he got this 944. And we're just like, we've tried to go a couple times. His fuel pump didn't work. It's always something with mine. So I think it's just going to elude us one more time, and we're just going to get in and out tonight. We'll go try to find a little back road to do a little something.
Here and we're gonna take mine around. We'll be back for it.
Oh my gosh, did you hear that? Not a chance I would leave this thing in this parking lot.
No, but for real though.
What are you, nuts?
All right, enough.
All right, let's go.
What is this?
Let's go.
Let's look at what this is.
You guys, we did In and Out dirty.
Oh yeah. We got one patty.
Whoa, he got a patty?
Yeah, just get a
Jeez, that thing was
big
pretty
cheeseburger.
gas too.
All the way, no mushrooms, but I added these jalapenos.
Nice.